Have you ever thought on this? In this video, I am going to show you two videos, one after another, both generated with same AI prompt. The only difference is the image generation tool. And see the difference.
On December 24, 1971, 17-year-old Julianne Kopke boarded Lanza Flight 508 in Lima, Peru. The plane flew into a severe thunderstorm over the Amazon rainforest. Lightning struck the aircraft, and it broke apart in mid-air at 21,000 feet. Julianne fell nearly 2 miles, still strapped into her seat. She landed in the jungle canopy and survived the fall with only minor injuries. Alone, injured, and without food, she began walking, using survival knowledge her parents had taught her. For 11 days, she followed a stream through the rainforest. Local loggers finally found her and brought her to safety. She was the sole survivor of the crash. On December 24, 1971, 17-year-old Julianne Kopke boarded Lanza Flight 508 in Lima, Peru. The plane flew into a severe thunderstorm over the Amazon rainforest. Lightning struck the aircraft, and it broke apart in mid-air at 21,000 feet. Julianne fell nearly 2 miles, still strapped into her seat. She landed in the jungle canopy and survived the fall with only minor injuries. Alone, injured, and without food, she began walking, using survival knowledge her parents had taught her. For 11 days, she followed a stream through the rainforest. Local loggers finally found her and brought her to safety. She was the sole survivor of the crash.